Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com.
After months of protest and discussion, the Labour Ministry is reporting some level of stability among security guards.
Portfolio Minister Karl Samuda gave the update in the House of Representatives today as he defended his ministry's record in settling labour-related disputes.
And what about the legislation to further protect the health and safety of workers?
Andrea Chisholm has the details from the sectoral debate.
During the financial year 22-23, we experienced a relatively turbulent industrial relations climate.
Turbulent because a number of public sector workers stayed off the job, protesting, among other things, the new compensation regime. Labour Minister Karl Samuda pointed out that his ministry was actively working behind the scenes to solve those disputes.
Given the unprecedented demand for the Ministry's industrial relations and related services, we have responded by revisiting the existing structures in order to ensure that we are more responsive and efficient in providing support to both workers and employers. One hand can't clap. This move also supports the planned expansion of the General Compliance Inspectorate to ensure adherence to the decent work agenda in Jamaica.
There's still some tension involving security guards who complained about their new contracts following the court ruling that they be classified as employees with appropriate benefits.
Madam Speaker, we are pleased to report that there is now a greater level of stability and structure in the sector. There are issues, and there will be issues going forward, but it is more stable, with a better understanding and a better relationship.
Now, since 2007, there's been discussion about a law to better protect employees from harm in the workplace. Minister Samuda announced that the ministry is awaiting the second draft of the new Occupational Health and Safety Bill.
So we are trying very hard. It's a tough and complex bill, and it's very knotty in parts, and will need a certain amount of consensus to move us forward. So I'm looking forward to that day.
In the 2022-2023 fiscal year, the ministry got 192 reports of accidents compared to 221 in the previous fiscal year. Of the 192 reports, 141 took place in factories and 42 at construction sites. Accidents on the docks, however, doubled. There were 9 such reports. Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.